Hey Bart, wanted to real quick just throw a video together to show you the Canary asset model deployed. Now this is going to be the most simplistic model I've ever built, but I've got basically I think 96 sites running right now with three tags each. So these are maybe compressor stations. I don't whatever it doesn't matter. But each site has a tag name. Um, and its current, its temperature, and its pressure. And I'm going to use some regular expression rules so that I can alias and reshape the structure to make it fit my virtual model. So I'm just basically taking the site information and putting it at the front, breaking it out, and then putting the tags at the back side of it. Actually, I'm going to use the site piece and hit on that as well and just put an underscore in there. Okay, so I've reordered my structure. And now I'm just going to use regular expressions and say, hey, this is what a site is. A site is anything that follows this first grouping. Okay, so I've done that now. I've got my sites, and my model is deployed. So now I don't have to use tag names. I could be referencing metadata or properties of the tags, maybe model numbers that are built into the tags, anything. But this is, again, just a quick example for deployment. So I've deployed it. Now I'm going to build out an analysis screen and just visualize the data in live time on those three tags. So I'm going to build a brand new application in the browser itself using our asset template feature. And so with the asset template, what I'm essentially telling it to do is to hit on this type of asset, and I'm going to design the visualization one time, and then it will replicate it for every single known asset. I just need to connect to my server. All right, I'm connected. There's the asset I built called asset demo. We'll do this. Each card is going to be based on a site, and then I'll use the asset label to represent each site. So now every single card, even though I've dropped one asset label, is now represented with a site name. I'll put in a donut gauge and a couple value boxes, and then I'll put some labels on the value boxes. There's faster ways to do this and cleaner ways to do this. Again, I'm just doing this to illustrate a point. So there's the three tags that were associated to a site, the children of the parent site, if you will. And I just need to assign those now. So now that's done, and we'll assign the temperature, and then I'm going to put some labels on there just so that we can see them clearly. And that one was current. I'll just duplicate my label, and that was my pressure. Okay, close my editor, and now I have a card for every single site with live data coming in. 96 sites just got built out. I've got a filter at the top, so I can say only show me the site cards that have a temperature that's currently over 50. I'm sorry, less than 50. And now I want to actually sort that order. And sort it by the current tag. No way to sort currently in Pi. So you might be able to, you could isolate conditions, but then you wouldn't be able to sort them. So now that I've done that, what I want to do next is add assets. So I've got 96 sites right now. I'm generating all this data fictitiously. I've gone ahead and almost doubled my count. And so I've got, I think, 174 sites now that I'm going to bring in on top of my 90, in addition to, on top of my 96. So I'm now logging data. In 5 minutes' time, if I did nothing, the model would automatically see those new tags. So right now I'm just going to save my application. So if I did absolutely nothing in 5 minutes' time, it would auto-discover those new tags and apply them to the model. I'm going to ask it to go ahead and trigger that, and I'm just going to do that by resetting my views, which tells Axiom to go look for changes instead of just letting it happen organically, again, just to save time. But here you go. We went from 96 to 174 sites, just like that. Live data coming in, and the filtering still works just like did before. I didn't mention we can do multi-condition filtering. So two rules, right? Pressure's got to be over 60 and temperature has to be over 55. And But anyway, I just wanted to show you now we're seeing 31 cards. How fast it is, we can continue to change these rules. We can add sort conditions and parameters. Once I've built this, I could say, oh, actually I've still got too many instances. I want to increase the rules and make the temperature have to be over 75. Now I'm down to 20. So there's a whole lot more to show. I just wanted you to see how it works. Hope that helps.